Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm taking you outside. Let's do some outdoor cleaning. It's been raining for some days, but the sun is finally here, so we wanted to spend some time outside, but it was dirty, so I decided to clean and bring you along. Later in the video I'll be revealing to you my new garden plants and flowers. I'm very excited for this one. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Janet. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, cooking, and lifestyle motivational videos. If any of those things above interest you, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. I upload Monday and Thursday. I use Jure window cleaners for my windows and glass doors. It smells so good. It works extremely good. As you can see, they were very dusty. From here, this is my outside water tap. I'm collecting water in that blue bucket to go and clean the rails. I am adding in Jure improved cleaner for the tiles, terrazzo, and all kinds of floors. It works extremely good also. As you can see, that is a combination of dust and rain, and Jure worked miracles on them. We repainted this area. If you have watched the last video that I did of this place, it is a mini balcony makeover. We had colors like white and maroon, or pink going to maroon, but we've changed since then. I will leave the card up here and a link in the description below. If you have not watched it, you can go and compare the colors. This color is light on the eye. It is very easy to clean. Unfortunately, I don't know what to call this color, but it blends so well with the environment and everything that is surrounding this area. I don't know what to call it. Is it lime green? I don't know what to call it, but it is so good. If you have seen the previous video and this color, please tell me what you think. Did we get it or we missed it? Working in the sun can be exhausting, but I would rather have the sun than the rain, because with the sun you can get things done outside, and with the rain you can have a good sleep. But I would rather have the sun during working days or during the day than the rain. How about you? What would you prefer to have? Here is my new garden, flowers and plants. I put stones in the middle just to make them look more presentable and beautiful. And later in the video, I'll be showing you other plants that I put around in the compound. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time here and you haven't already. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you in a few days with a brand new video, inshallah. Bye.